Amman Valley Pony Club under-15 team compete in mounted games. The team were first successful in the South Wales regional competition, becoming area champions. Winning their regional championships enabled them to qualify for the South of Britain round. Again, the team showed great strength, and after a long series of heats and finals, due to the points they'd achieved, were declared winners even before the final race. This achievement meant the team had qualified for the British finals, where only the top 6 teams in the UK can compete, and Amman Valley secured their place against 330 other pony clubs from across the country.
Mae tîm pêl-rwyd dan 16 oed Ysgol Ystrada wedi gweithio'n galed I lwyddo mewn sawl cystadleuaeth. Yn ystod y flwyddyn, nid yw'r merched wedi colli'r un gêm. Daeth y tîm yn bencampwyr Cyngor Llanelli cyn symud ymlaen I ennill cystadlaethau ar lefel genedlaethol. Ar ôl ennill cystadleuaeth rhanbarthol sirol, aeth y tîm ymlaen I ennill twrnamaint Smart Cymru. Yn ogystal ag ennill, cafodd un o'r chwaraewyr Ffion Tofi ei henwi'n chwaraewr y twrnamaint. Maen wedi dangos gwaith tîm ragorol ac wedi cael ei gobrwyo drwy ddod yn bencampwyr Cymru.
Ysgol Broad and Ever girls under-14 rugby team have had a successful year. At regional level, they became champions when competing in the under-14 Scarlet Sevens Championships. Competing in the Welsh Schools Girls Rugby Championship, they beat all 30 schools to reach the final in the Principality Stadium. The girls went on to win the final and became national champions. This is an excellent achievement, as only a few of the girls play club rugby outside of school. On top of this, 2 of the squad members have been chosen to be part of the BGC squad for next season.